Now we are discuss about the project settings of the Commercetools. These project settings are available in the Merchant Center. Whatever we are seeing now, this one called Merchant Center. Okay, in the Merchant Center, inside the settings, we have developer settings. Okay, click on developer settings. Here we have all the developer settings option. Okay, if you want to create your API keys, we can create the API keys from here. Okay, click on here. Okay, here you need to enter the name of the API client, and here you need to select the scope. I need admin scope, so I'm selecting admin client. Here you can see the most of the resources have been selected. Extra I need this audit log resource and as well as manage API client and view API clients. Okay, then I will create the API client. Okay, API client has been created, and below it will show all of my credentials. Okay, the credentials will show only one time. After closing this window, the credentials will won't show. That's why you need to download your credentials. If you want to upload your credentials in the Postman, then here select the Postman and simply you can import those Postman collections. Okay, here you can see it is giving the JSON data. You can simply import this JSON into your Commercetool account. Then if you want to set up your project, then you have to use the .env file. So right now I am downloading .env file. Okay, if you want to copy these credentials, simply you can copy it by clicking here. Okay, in this way we can manage our settings. Okay, API client is over. Then let's go to project messages. Here we have all the project messages. If you want to enable, you can enable it from the here. Click here, then enable it, then save it. Okay, we have enabled the messages option. Here we have the GraphQL Explorer option. Okay, if you want to play with GraphQL instead of Postman or any other tools, from here we can play with the GraphQL. We can fire the GraphQL queries from here. If you want to play with HTTP APIs, then here you can play with HTTP APIs. And if you want to import API, if you want to import the APIs, then here you can import your APIs. Okay, this is responsible for creating the APIs. Okay, then we have project settings. Okay, inside the project settings, first we have international tab. We can set the currencies from here. If you want to create or edit the currencies, click here and add whatever the currencies you want. You need to select and click on save. In this way we can save and add the currencies to the project. And if you want to add it from the API, then you can also add from the API. If you want to change your project language, then here you can change. If you want to remove or add, you can do that actions from here, then save it. Then if you want to add the countries, then you can add the countries from here. I want to remove the France, then I am removing the France and as well as Spanish, and I am saving. If you want to add the zones, you can add the zones from here. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to delete, you can delete it from here. Okay, if you want to create the tags, then you can create your tags from here. Here we have the option to create the tags category. Enter the tags name, and if you want to give the key, then you can see this is a user defined key. It is not required. Okay, then create tags category. It is created. Then we need to create the add rates. Here we need to give the rate, and